Hello, what's up? I'm Milda Munte. So in this section, I'm going to giving you some conclusion about the seventh chapter, namely conjunction. So the first thing we are going to review again about the definition of conjunction. So what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that connect to other words or some group of words that connect to other words or another word. It joins a word, a phrase, and a clause in a sentences. So conjunction, it is connect other word to another word. Yeah, we can put that conjunction word in the middle of the position of the left and the right word. Okay, I'm going to give you some examples. Yuri and Euro are looking for a job. Okay, so based on this example, which one is a conjunction? Yes, the word of and, because some word or some words connect to another word. So the word of and, it is standing beside one word in the left and the one word in the right side. Okay, the next example. You will be interviewed by a human resources officer or by a users. So based on this example, which one is conjunction? Yes, the conjunction is the word of or, because it is contained of one word which connect to other word. Okay, the last example. We ate pizza and drank fried chicken for dine. So based on this sample, which one is conjunction? Yes, the word of and. So when we found some other words connect or join other words, we call that one as a conjunction. Okay, so next we are going to discuss about the types of conjunction. So the first type of conjunction, it is a coordinating conjunction. The second types of conjunction is subordinating conjunction, and the last types of conjunction is correlative conjunction. We're going to discuss the types of conjunction one by one. So what is the definition of coordinating conjunction? Okay, it is joined words or group of words that have equal grammatical weight in a sentence. And commonly people remember it by a word, namely fanboys. Okay, there are 7 letters indeed. The first one is F, the second one is A, the third one is N, the fourth one is B, the fifth one is O, the sixth one is Y, and the last one is S. Okay, so fanboys means F as a 4, A as a word of N as a word of nor, B as a word of but, O as a word of or, Y as a word of yet, and S as a word of so. So we can remember that one by the word of fanboys. Okay, beside the word of fanboys, yeah, the word of for means for the reason that or because, yeah, the meaning of for. So we have to remember about it. So we are going to continue to the example of the fanboys. I'm excited for today is my birthday. Okay, so the word of for in here refers to the coordinating conjunction. The second one, the teacher and lecturer are here. Okay, the word of and in here as the coordinating conjunction. The third one, I didn't like movie, nor did she. Tidak pula dia. Okay, which one is conjunction? Yes, the word of nor. The next example. He is good at arithmetic, but not at algebra. So the word of conjunction, it refers to the word of but. The next example. They must leave now, or they will be late. Okay, so the word of conjunction, it refers to the or. Next, he works quickly yet carefully. So which one is conjunction? Yes, the word of yet. The last example, Mary wanted a new phone, so she saved allowance money. So based on this example, which one is the conjunction? Yes, the word of so. Okay, so for more examples, you can read the ebook interactive. Next, we are going to continue to the second types, namely subordinating conjunction. Okay, the definition of subordinating conjunction, it introduces a dependent clause and indicate the nature of the relationship among the independent and dependent clause. That is the definition. Okay, there are some commonly subordinating conjunction as the previous one in coordinating conjunction, fanboys. But in here, we cannot remember it by some letters, but we have to remember it by some words. Okay, so the contents that commonly mentioned by the subordinating conjunctions are after, whereas, as far as, when, as soon as, after, as long as, before, then, because, since, if, where, unless, until, so that, although, wherever, while, and whenever. So some words that I have mentioned before, it connects or refers to the commonly words that contain in subordinating conjunction. Okay, I'm going to give you some examples of the subordinating conjunction. Number one, we raked the leaves because so many fallen. So based on this word, which one is subordinating conjunction? Yes, there is a word of because indeed. The second one, we raked the leaves before we had lunch. Okay, there is the same word, namely because in the first one and before in the second one. Yeah, only changing the word of subordinating conjunction. Okay, we are going to take a look at the last example. When more leaves fall, we will rake again. So which one is the subordinating conjunction? Yes, the word of when. Okay, we are going to continue to the last types, namely correlative conjunction. Okay, so what is the correlative conjunction? It always appears in pairs. It used to link equivalent sentence elements. Okay, I'm going to mention you some the commonly correlative conjunction. Okay, with the word of both, blank blank blank, and not only blank blank blank, but also either, or, neither, nor, so, as, whether, or, and just as, blank blank blank, so. So the previous examples, there are the words that commonly mentioned as a correlative conjunction. Okay, we're going to take a look at the example. Number one, Phil earned an A in both math and religion. Okay, when we're going to analyze this word, which one is content of the correlative conjunction? Okay, we can find the word of both and continue with the word of and. Okay, the second example, I made not only pill but also Jeff. Okay, we can find the correlative conjunction not only and but also. The third example, either she or I can go. The word of either and or, it refers to the correlative conjunction. Okay, the last example, neither she nor I can go. So which one is the correlative conjunction? Yes, the word of neither and nor. Okay, I think that's all about the summary of this chapter, namely about the conjunction. For more explanation, you can read the ebook interactive, and there are some exercises actually that embed in that one. I think that's all. Thank you for all of your attention and participation. Bye.